Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/The Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Alright, hey, this is Hans, and this is... And it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from...
USA.
That's right, this box is from down in California. This is from Exotic Noods. They're a subscription box outfit, and they have a coupon code. It's Ramen Raider 15. And if you use that, you get 15% off your order. So, shall we crack it open and see what's inside? Okay. Alright, so the first thing you see when you crack open one of these boxes is their information pamphlet. Has their features of the month, has a little blurb about all the different varieties and things in here. Pretty nice. Now I'll just go through each one of them. So we start out with a really good one. This is Myojo Ippichan Yakisoba. This is our Oriental flavor. You notice there's a lot of blue on here. It's shio, okay? So it's salt ramen flavor. It's really good, nice flavor. Comes with a little mayonnaise sachet, go all over it. Good stuff. If you haven't tried any of this line, you're going to be super stoked. Next up, we've got another one from Japan. This is Martians Midori no Tanuki. So, Midori, green. No Tanuki, well, it's got tempura in it. A lot of tempura. And this was one of my favorite ones when I first started out. It's like a big disc of tempura. It's good stuff, so worthwhile to check this one out. Next up, here's one from Nissin. This is their Cup Noodles Curry. Now, this is actually produced domestically here in the US, but it is a pretty honest, exact replica of the version they have in Japan, and it's quite good. A lot of curry flavor. Yeah, if you like curry, you're probably going to like this, especially if you like Japanese curry. This is another Myojo variety. This is a part of their Chukazanmai range, and this one's Oriental flavor. And I'm going to tell you right now, I am not sure that I've actually reviewed this. This looks a lot different than when I did a whole series of this range. They did change the packaging a bit, but I don't remember one that was just simply called Oriental flavor, so I really don't know much about it. Their noodles are dry instead of fried, but there is a broth, it looks like, in this one. So yeah, this will be a good one to check out, and maybe one I haven't reviewed. And here's the Sapporo Ichiban one. This is their Tonkatsu ramen. This is a chicken tonkatsu as far as I know, and it's quite good. It's got a nice broth to it, and the noodles are what you come to expect from Sapporo Ichiban if you tried their stuff. So yeah, good stuff. So when I first tried this a while back, I wasn't so super keen on it, but then they changed the recipe a little bit, and man, now I'm just like a total strong adherent to it. This is Mai Kawali's spicy fried noodle. This is a lot like your mie goreng that you would find in Indonesia and Malaysia, and it's really good. It's a dry noodle, it has some extremely strong prawn flavor to it, so yeah, really good stuff. And here's some old clay pot for you. This is Jinmeilang with their pickled cabbage flavor. Also translates to sauerkraut flavor. It's a good one. This one's excellent with like some beef with it. It's Chinese. You'll like it. And finally, here's a unique one from Minraku. This is their seafood tonkatsu. I've had this one recently, and I quite liked it. So, yeah, they have a lot of different varieties coming from this company, and this was one of the better ones. Alright, so in this, the March 2020 Exotic Noods box, you get sauerkraut, chicken tonkatsu, curry, seafood tonkatsu, spicy fried noodle, Oriental flavor, Midori no Tanuki, Oriental flavor yakisoba, and your informational pamphlet. Alright, well cool. Thank you to the folks over at exoticnudes.com for shooting this over. Hey, if you want to get one of these, use the coupon code RamenRaider15 and get 15% off your order. Alright, this has been Hans and this has been
Noodles.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Every day.
Have a good one.
Bye.